Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. We've got another cooking video for you today and we are making chicken wings from scratch using my air fryer, which I absolutely love. You guys, this is a super easy recipe that anyone can do and it tastes amazing. So hang on tight and let me show you how I do it. So I tend to buy my chicken wings whole and they're fresh, and I cut them into two just because my daughter loves like the drumstick shaped part. I don't know what you call that, but so that's what we're doing here, and then we're gonna wash it properly and then we will use a paper towel to dry it before we begin seasoning. And that's it, you guys. These chicken wings are a hit with the family. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Try this recipe out, you guys. Even if you don't have an air fryer, stick them in the oven. That baking powder does really make it nice and crispy without using any flour. It's nice and healthy. And I didn't give you any quantities for the seasoning because I think you should season according to your taste buds. But yeah, super easy, super tasty. Feel free to put a barbecue sauce on the side or some hot sauce, some celery sticks with some ranch with it, and you are good to go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.